So now I changed the tires. And I got the caution lights on. This is the tires look now. So I have to finish doing the wiring inside here. Work on that. Make it a lot better. Here's the back tires. So it turned out to be a good swap. But I found out that my turning servo was not strong enough for the truck because the truck is very heavy. I have a 440-inch torque servo and it is not strong enough. So I have to go to stronger servo. Oh yeah, the lights inside, huh? Pretty cool. The dashboard and the RPM gauges light up. I put those in. Those do not come with the truck. I did that myself. No. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Till next time. Okay, bye.